Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where we show you how to use our system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn about saving a template in workflow. Set up and save a standard set of recipes and actions to apply to future workflows at the click of a button. Step 1 is to go to the correct page. First, click on the Create New Workflow button. Import the document you want signed. Step 2 is to change your document to your liking. You have a few options to accomplish this. You can rename your document, then click OK. If the options and settings to edit your document still confuses you, you can watch our basic workflow video for clarity. Step 3 is to proceed. Step 4 is to add the signers you'll need. If the signer already exists in the SigniFlow system, fields will be auto-populated. When you're done, remember to click on the Add button. Step 5 is to click on the Save Workflow as a Template button. Step 6 is to choose where you'd like to store your template. Step 7 is to provide your template with a name. Step 8 is to edit the actions of your template, meaning you can change who is the signer by adjusting the email of the signer. You can set that the email remains the same, choose that there will always be a different signer, or set yourself as a signer. You can also edit the actions required, the proxy, and the step type. Step 9 is to save when you're done. That is how you save a template in workflow. For more videos like this, please visit SigniFlow.com/academy. Our link will be provided in the description below.